I'm tired. I'm really tired. Hi everybody and welcome back on a new vlog. Today it's Monday and I decided to start training again for a half Ironman in Maastricht in August, because when you don't subscribe to a race, the training is going get less and less and less, and I want to keep my body fit because I notice my trip to Holland, I'm tired. I'm really tired. Not that I did a lot with sports, but I didn't sleep very well and I traveled a lot. When I went to Amsterdam, it was 2.5 hours in the train. Then I had to get the metro, and when I came back I had to get the metro. I had to wait on the train, and it was another 2.5 hours in the train. So maybe you are 6 hours or 7 hours only traveling. And when I came back and when I went to Holland, the traveling was also 8 hours on the whole day. So it has a kind of impact on your body. So I'm really tired. So I decided to subscribe to an Ironman and I'm gonna train. It's only a half one, so it's okay. And you don't have to train the very, very long days. So I think I can keep it under control. I also did today, I throw in the pool some stuff. Now I have to run the pump for a few hours, then wait 12 till 24 hours, and the rubbish should be falling to the bottom then, and then you can hoover it up. So I keep you updated if I can clean the pool, because the pool is still a mudder pool. It's incredible. It's almost 2 weeks ago and there is still so much mud in the water that the bottom is not visible. So I'm gonna try this. So next month I hope we can use the pool again. Further today I'm gonna select still the music I'm busy with on the new laptop. I'm almost halfway with one map and I have 2 other maps to go, but this is the biggest map, so when this one is done the other ones go quickly. But I want to finish them before I go to Holland again in May, and I want to prepare my total sets then with a complete music selection. Now it was preparing the sets on 2 different laptops, and that's not the best thing to prepare your sets. Also, I listened yesterday to the track where I was working on. It's almost finished, just a little tiny last details I want to get out, and then it's going off to the mastering engineer. So hopefully this week I can send it to the master engineer. I also started a new track. I don't know yet if it's a good track or if it's just some try out and then it's not the thing I like and I start another track. I have to see which way the new track is going. I found some decent sounds. I found, I think, a nice melody for that. I'm still working on that. And then we can build the rest of the track around of that. And I'm happy to see on YouTube that you are following me. I want to have 1,000 subscribers in a very short notice. So keep subscribing to the channel. Give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. Give me a like. And I hope to see you back. Enjoy.